Hello everyone, I am Nitin Sharma. ये SO and CSS. So what is ASO and CSS? My friend, my goal is that I will clear SSC CGL with EIR1 and I will get 50 out of 50 in mathematics. I will get 50 out of 50 in general awareness. I will get 50 out of 50 in logical reasoning. I will get 50 out of 50 in our English language. But how can I do it? If I am hardworking, if I am consistent, if I am disciplined, then I can do it. But I am also doing some system that I joined two library, one Nagar library, town library, and second student temple library. But I am not able to focus that kind of toppers. But I want to focus that kind of level. I want to do study. I want to do deep study. If I want to become a IR one in ESO in CSS, but I think my institute said that you can do it. You have the potential. You have the energy. You have the capacity to do anything, and I can do it at lot. I can do it, and I will tell one thing, my friend, that if you can imagine anything, then you can create that thing. And I want to be in SO and CSS because my personality is officer type. There is no by personality to be railway type, banking type. I have a personality that is officer type, and I will be an officer. This is my goal, and I will do it. If I can see a dream, then I can create the dream. This is my goal, and any obstacle can't stop me. Pattern will change, syllabus will change, world will be here, world, my goal will never change. अगर मैं इस फील्ड में उतरा हूँ देन आई विल अचीव द गोल. व्हेन आई मतलब इस फील्ड में जब उतर चुके हो तो कॉन्फिडेंस लो नहीं होना है दोस्त, बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट ख़त्म करके जाना है. रणभूमि में जब तुम उतर चुके हो, अर्जुन की तरह एक चीज़ पर फोकस करो, उसको तोड़ के ही वहाँ से निकलो. कहा गया था ना, जैसे कि अर्जुन को बोला गया कि तुमको क्या दिख रहा है. पहले बात करते हैं कि सबसे पूछा गया है कि क्या दिख रहा है तुमको. कोई बड़ा पेड़ दिख रहा है, कोई बड़ा पहाड़ दिख रहा है, कोई बड़ा गाछ दिख रहा है. अर्जुन बड़ा सिर्फ चिड़िया का आँख दिख रहा है. तो बी लाइक अर्जुन, फोकस लाइक अर्जुन. ओके.